Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide FaceTime notification content previews on the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Next, tap on Notifications. Then we scroll down to the bottom. In the lock screen appearance section, tap on Show Previews. And in here, you can choose Always, which is showing the preview, or when unlocked, showing the preview. If you want to hide the content preview, you can select Never. So that is how you can hide your FaceTime notification content preview on the lock screen. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.